Hi, I'm back to finish up lessons 21 through 27. In lesson 21, it's all about text boxes and word art. For example, how I insert a text box is I go to the insert at the top of my page, and I will click on the text box, and I'm just going to choose this top one, the simple text box, and you can write any information. I'm just going to put my name. Alright. And then you can move and resize the text box by clicking on those arrows, make it a little wider. You can also click this, make it a little taller. Oh, maybe you can't. I'm going to center my name too. Let's see here. Well, sorry, that backfired on me. Also, I can make this text box into a different type of shape. So I'm going to click the edit shape, change shape, and I'm going to change mine into a heart. Ta-da! Okay, and then word art would be like, for example, making my name into some type of 3D effect. And so here's the word art styles. And I'm just going to choose this one. That's lesson 21. Lesson 22 is about arranging objects. For example, if you need to align two or more objects, what you do is you hit the shift and click the objects. For example, I'll hit shift, I'll click this one. Okay. And then you'll go to Format, click Align, and I want to align these straight in the middle and just make a straight line. There you go. Lesson 23 is about tables. So for example, if I wanted to make a table, I would just click Insert Table. And I can make my own table however big I would like it. So I'm going to do a 5x4. So in this table, if you needed to, categorize stuff, you can make as many columns and rows as you would like. And it just helps to organize. Lesson 24 is about charts. Kind of the same deal. You go to Insert, click Chart. And here you can pick any chart that you need. This is very helpful, especially in math classes or even science when you've done a lot of data and you want to organize it. I'm going to do a line graph. So here it's loading. Okay, and then there's my line graph, and this is Excel, which we haven't gotten into yet, but I do believe we will be getting into this closer to the end of the semester. But in these boxes is where I can put all my data for future reference. I'm going to close out of that one for now. Lesson 25 is checking your spelling and grammar, especially important for proofreading papers. This particular document doesn't really have a lot of words in it, but this can work on anything. So what I'm going to do is you go to Review and you click the spelling and grammar. This will check all the spelling, all the grammar in here, and it's saying the fish fins, saying that's incorrect. So I can either ignore it because that's the word that we want, or I can pick one of these words suggested if that's the correct one. But I'm just going to hit ignore all for now and say that my spelling and grammar is perfect. And now it's completed. Lesson 26 is tracking changes and comments. Again, this really isn't a perfect practice document, but I'm just showing you that I'm aware of where all these things are on the Word document and how they work. So go to Review, click track changes. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to go over and put show markup. So for example, if I wanted to delete this, it should put a line through it. Yes, there we go. And then if I wanted to add something, like putting, let's say it's not Saturday, I messed up, it's going to be Sunday, June 2nd. That fixes that. So it shows you where you deleted something, you crossed it out once, and you're going to add something new to it. Which also makes it easier for, if, for example, you were proofreading, or you're helping, out another student, helps, to see what exactly you're changing. And then lastly, lesson 27 is about protecting your documents. So I'm going to go to File, Info. I'm going to check for issues. Here I'm going to press Inspect Document. This checks the document for any type of personal information, in case you don't want that to leak out. So I'm going to click it. Do I want to save this file? We'll say no, since we're just using this. And I'm going to hit Inspect. And it shows what the inspection results are. It says no personal information was found. So that's exactly what I was looking for. I'm going to close this. And then lastly, to mark my document as final, I'm going to stay on this file page, and I'm going to hit Protect Document and mark as final. It will now mark it as final and then save it. And click OK. And there you go. All done. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry that this took so many minutes and that I've kind of dragged it out, but it's my first try. But I had a lot of fun learning how to work Word. I already had some experience, but this will definitely help me, writing papers just in my everyday life, my jobs. So thank you so much.